This is the larynx, you can see the cartilages here, and this is the pharynx because we can see the esophagus. Okay, now let's see. Let us first see the features of the tongue. This is the foramen cecum. This is the sulcus terminalis. Along the sulcus terminalis, there is circumvallate papillae. In the top, there is fungiform papillae, and in the side, there is foliate papillae. These are the gustatory papillae. That means these have taste buds. And along the entire anterior surface, we will see filiform papillae. That is just mechanical papillae, and it has no taste buds. This is connected by a frenulum. Okay, so we can see here. This is the tongue. This is the epiglottis. Tongue to epiglottis. This fold is known as medial glossoepiglottic fold. We see two folds here also. This is known as the lateral glossoepiglottic fold. Here, these two depressions are known as vallecula. This is epiglottis. These folds are known as aryepiglottic fold. These are supported by arytenoid, cricoid and cuneiform cartilages. This cartilage which is cut, this cartilage is cricoid cartilage. If we turn it, we can see this is the hyoid bone and this is the thyroid bone, thyroid cartilage. From hyoid to thyroid cartilage, there is the thyrohyoid membrane. This is the cricoid cartilage যেটা cut হয়েছে, and above it there is the thyroid gland. Thyroid glanডের যে lateral যে আছে, it starts from the thyroid cartilage but it ends below the cricoid cartilage. Okay, so again let us get into this. If we see here, if we close this epiglottis, aryepiglottic fold, this forms a laryngeal inlet, and on the side there is pyriform fossa. Pyriform fossa is a very important fossa. Pyriform fossa or the smuggler's fossa, cannibal smugglers used to store all the necklaces here, or suppose, which is more important, is that if there is fish bone, it gets stuck here. If it is stuck here, below here there is the internal laryngeal nerve. If it is stuck here, it damages the internal laryngeal nerve. That is why pyriform fossa is very important. Now suppose when we close this one, we see a fold here. This is the vestibular or false vocal cord. Okay, if we close this, the space between the vestibular vocal cord will be known as rima vestibuli. There is another depression, impression just below the false vocal cord. This is the true vocal cord. True vocal cord এর মাঝখানে যে রিজিয়নটা থাকে তাকে বলে রিমা গ্লটিস।
एक बार फिर से ये वाला बोलो ना, रिमा वेस्टिबुलर और
देखो ऊपर में जो है वो है तुम्हारा फॉल्स वोकल कॉर्ड, मतलब कोई आवाज नहीं देता है, और रीजन बिटवीन देम क्या होता है, रीमा वेस्टिब्यूल। जो नीचे वाला है ये है ट्रू वोकल कॉर्ड। ट्रू वोकल कॉर्ड, ट्रू वोकल कॉर्ड से ही आवाज निकलता है। सो बिटवीन द ट्रू वोकल कॉर्ड देयर इज रीमा ग्लॉटिनस। ओके, एंड हियर वी कैन सी देयर इज वन laryngeal inlet। এখানটায় ঠিক করে বোঝা যাবে না, বাট laryngeal inlet যদি if we see like this laryngeal inlet, we will see this inlet like this, it goes above, from here it goes above. These are all the features of, and you can see this is a trachea, this is the bifurcation of the trachea, this is the esophagus. Bas done.
laryngeal